Hi everybody, Alex Deploy here from Expert Forex, and in today's video I want to make you aware of 100 robot trading videos that are available to you. Now, as you may know, we are going to be launching a 0 to Hero Forex trading course. It will take you from knowing zero about trading to being able to trade robots competently. And this course will become available, as you can see there, in about 5 days' time. And I just wanted to make you aware of the videos that are available in this course. And here you can see some details about the course. We can just go down. It does give details about what the course contains and the process that is followed and what you will be able to do once you've done the course. You will never have to rely on other people for your robot settings or success. You can create a new career. You can increase the chances of success considerably by doing this course, by knowing which settings are the most robust, and you could evaluate any robot in the future. So the course is not based on one robot, it is based on robot trading in general. You can avoid very, very costly mistakes, and you can make money in your sleep. That is what robot trading is all about. It is about making money while you sleep. And if you are in a particular job at the moment, you can do this as a part-time and supplementary income activity. So it's actually fantastic, robot trading is. And have a look at this link. I will be posting a copy of this link in the description as well as in the first commentary of the video. And the beauty here too is that it comes with a free robot. So the robot is free, and we have to do that so that we can base the course on what happens with that robot throughout the course. And you can join the course. Here it is. But now, as I've said, it is only available in about 5 days' time. There are sections of the course that is available right now. So let's go and have a look at the 100 videos that are available as part of this course. So here I am on the forum where the course is presented. And if I scroll down, we come to the 0 to Hero course. And as it says, it will be launched on the 12th of April. And here is the course outline. Parts of this course are already available to clients, so they can go and have a look at some of them. The rest is password protected. But what we're going to talk about today is the 100 robot trading videos that can be that's already been sorted by topic. I'm just going to click on that. That link is available at the moment, so you can go and download these resources. And there they are, the robot trading videos. There are over 100 of them. They are sorted in a document. You can go and download the PDF document and or as a Word document, and they list all of the videos. I'm going to actually go to the Word document because I like that version quite nicely. I'll just load that, but you can go and download your own one when you get to this area. And let's go to Word. So here's the Word document, and I'll just go through it. So there's videos about introduction to robot trading, very good for beginners, get a feel of that. There's fast track videos, how you can fast track your career and ability to trade. There's expectations. What are your expectations from robot trading? Are they in line with reality? There are strategy videos. There are general robot trading videos that give you a good idea of things like VPS and those kind of issues. There are ways of using robots. Now, a lot of people think there's only one way of using it. There are many ways of using robots, and there is troubleshooting and support, because a lot of clients run into little niggly areas where they can't progress. There's an error message that comes up or something like that. The course teaches you how to resolve those, and there are for instance, there's an 18 checklist area if you are getting 0 results when testing your robot. So the course is full of those kind of videos. Then there's testing videos. There we are, a whole lot of testing, how to test, how to optimize, all that type of thing. And then optimization videos, there we go, a whole lot of them there. And then there are videos on forward testing, managing the robots, very important, because in the end you're going to be building up a portfolio of robots and you need to know how to manage them and that type of thing. And then one of the hot topics on every robot trader has is finding settings for the robots, and there are a lot of videos on that. Then knowledge about the MetaTrader platform, and there are 30 videos showing the MetaTrader platform, details about the MetaTrader, ways you can use the MetaTrader platform. So it's also a MetaTrader platform course. And then we've got videos on broker selection and smooth equity chart results. These videos fully encompass all aspects of robot trading, and what I like about the Word document is that you can go and find things. So if I want to find all the beginner videos, there we are. So it's found 5 results, and there they are, and I can go and find those videos very easily. There's another one over there, and there's another one over there. And any topic that you want to look at, you just type in the find facility, and it will go and find videos about that particular topic. So this is something that you can already start looking at. The course will be available in the next 5 days, but there are aspects of the course that you can already start looking at. And let me just show you exactly where you'll find this one. And this is there's the introduction, then there's part 1, and in part 1, number 4 is 100 robot trading videos sorted by topic. So there we are. That's where you can actually go and look at those videos and download the PDF and Word documents right now. And then on the 12th of April, you'll be able to do the course, which consists of an introduction section, a part 1, which is really just getting to know trading robots, and then part 2 is a copy me video robot trading training, where you literally just copying me. I'll show you what I do, and you just copy the process as I go through it. And that's the one. And then part 3 is the more detailed aspect of what's happened in part 2. So it provides a lot more detail, but it's identical. If you look at it, it's identical to the format of part 2. It just gives a lot more information. So we're trying to make this course as user-friendly as possible, and it will align the processes of finding good robots and good settings and building a portfolio of really good strategies a lot easier. Now, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you participate in the course when it is launched on the 12th of April, and you make use of that free EA that comes along with that course. From me, Alex Deploy, cheerio.